taking the time to see things through the eyes of the people we serve, while working in collaboration with the healthcare team as we provide patient and family-centered care, are at the heart of the value of service. And there are few people who exemplify these traits as well as Julie Bieber, Bellin's Director for Surgical Services, this year's Values in Practice Award winner for service. When Bellin's go-to person in risk management needed to take a leave of absence, it was important to find someone who would temporarily step into that role. And Julie Bieber stepped up to the challenge in a big way.
Last summer I was off on a leave, and Julie and I huddled prior, and she agreed to step in and take primary role for some of the things that I do in working with patients under difficult circumstances.
During that time, we had a team that sat together. We came up with a plan on how we were going to handle any risk management issues that would have come up. And of course, Mary being off, two came up immediately.
In the situations that Julie would work with, the patient is having some sort of challenge or healthcare crisis. And sometimes those challenges and healthcare crises get very messy. And patients and families don't always necessarily know what they need. They're just maximally stressed out.
And it was a situation that involved two healthcare organizations and a device company. So it was a very complicated situation. She dealt with the other healthcare organization in this process. She dealt with the device company. She worked with 4 different departments within Bellin, and she really helped manage the whole process. And not only did she do a good job helping to manage it, but she stood beside the family and the patient during the whole process. So she was there for them morning, noon, night. And Mary told me after she came back, it was like 1 in a 5-year event. Rarely happens.
Fortunately, I have worked in surgery a long time, and you can't sit back and watch and wait for something to happen. So as I was seeing or feeling things that were happening, I was able to work with the families to try and mitigate what was going on or get them the answers that they needed. So that's really what I did to go above and beyond. Really, I was just doing my job. It's just what I do.
This is a letter from one of our patients about Julie. So this woman writes, representing her family, "This is a note to let you know how much you mean to my family. I know you went above and beyond for us. You are a very special lady. Your heart is so big and so full of love. I really don't think we would have made it if it were not for you. You are such an angel on earth."
I think Julie is the epitome of this award. Julie goes above and beyond to help our patients, our staff, our leaders, and our physicians.
I would like to thank Mary and Ann for nominating me. I also like to thank Bellin for allowing me to use my talents.